Hey guys, today we're gonna change valve cover gasket and fuel filter and some fuel lines on my BMW E39. I'll show you why I'm gonna need to change these things. These are the part numbers for the fuel lines if you need them. I'll show you where they are, and the fuel filter. Now you can see why I'm changing the valve cover gasket. I just serviced this car under 1,000 kilometers ago, and I changed the spark plugs, and I noticed that it was leaking, so obviously I wanted to change it before it got worse. You see there's a little bit of oil down at the spark plugs. And it was a lot worse when I changed the spark plugs. I just cleaned it out. So this is the reason I'm changing it. When you're taking the valve cover off, make sure you don't flip it, because I did that and I had a small shim that I hadn't taken out and it fell down. I was able to recover it, but make sure when you take it off, you take it straight off and then over and away. I've got the coils and the valve cover laid out over here, and I'm gonna clean it off and replace the gaskets. And over here you can see how it looks. I would say it looks great actually. It's got 240,000 kilometers on it at the moment, and I've seen way worse than this, so I'm impressed by how it looks. Here you can see why I want to change the fuel lines. They aren't leaking right now, but they will eventually. So I'd rather change them now than wait till they leak and then I can't drive anywhere. So, and of course I've got a new fuel filter and some new hose, and it ends right here. So it should be fairly easy. It's located under the driver's side of the car. It's located under a big plastic cover, as you can see over here. I've already taken it off because I had to do it on the ground because the lift arms block it. So now I'm gonna prime the fuel system. Now I'm gonna go for a test drive, and if that goes well, and I'm gonna lift it up again and check and see if everything's okay and nothing's leaking, then that concludes everything from this video. And yeah, I hope you liked it.